Hello everybody, my name is Oksana. Здравствуйте, меня зовут Оксана, and today we will focus on Russian months, the way you can call them and use them in your speech correctly. We are going to talk about names, how we call them in Russian and how we use them with the prepositions and so on. Let's get started. We'll start with the first thing we need to do, which is memorize the names. So let's talk. Please follow me, repeat after me. Январь, февраль, март, апрель, май, июнь, июль, август, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, December. Now let's repeat all the names very quickly. Well, not very quickly, but anyway, I won't do this pause, right? Okay, your job is to repeat after me and learn them. Январь, февраль, март, апрель, май, июнь, июль, август, сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь, December. Well done. Okay, so let's move on. Now we can use the names of the months. By the way, a month in Russian is месяц, and a year in Russian is год. They are both masculine gender. And I have a very good news. Is that all names of the month are also masculine gender. So you won't have any problems here when you change the ending. They are masculine. Why I mention it? Because if you compare to the days of the week, there is a problem because 3 of them are masculine, 3 of them are feminine, and 1 is neuter. Sunday, воскресенье is neuter, right? Okay. In this case, no problem. They are all masculine. Anyway, we can use the names of the month with the preposition. Preposition v. The same as with the days of the week. So we use v plus the word in prepositional case. Now repeat after me and remember, so the forms change a little bit, right? Look at the ending. In January, в январе, в феврале, в марте, в апреле, в мае, в июне, в июле, в августе, в сентябре, в октябре, в ноябре, в декабре. We always use the ending year, the most common ending in prepositional case, because all these are masculine. Okay, we say v plus the name of the month in prepositional case with the ending year, whether we notice that the soft sign disappeared. Why so? Because the letter here, yeah, the vowel yeah, usually makes the consonant sounds before it soft. So that's why we do not need the soft sign any longer to make the last sound or the last consonant sound soft. So it's a job of the letter yeah. Now let me give you some examples with the names of the month for you to remember them better. In addition, here you can practice a little bit with the translating Russian sentences. Okay. В январе очень холодно. В марте цветут цветы. В июле жарко. В сентябре идет дождь. В ноябре идет снег. Now you practiced a little bit, and I hope that you remembered the names of the months a little bit better. In addition to this, I just wanted to talk about the seasons. Guys, when you use the seasons and you want to say when, for example, in summer, in winter, and so on. So use an instrumental case. In summer – летом, in autumn – осенью, in winter – зимой, in spring – весной. Notice that you do not need any prepositions here. You simply say летом, осенью, зимой, весной. For instance, летом я люблю ходить в поход. In summer, I love to go hiking. Зимой мы планируем съездить в Питер. In winter, we plan to go to St. Petersburg. By the way, you may notice that in Russian, who used the colloquial name of the city, we say Питер, не Санкт-Петербург, which is quite official. But we say Питер, it's colloquial, okay? And now let me give you some examples with the names of the month. В декабре всегда 31 день. 31 days make up a month. В декабре все покупают подарки. In December, everybody buy gifts. В январе много снега. In January, there is a lot of snow. В феврале обычно очень холодно. It's usually very cold in February. Guys, by the way, what months are there in winter? Think about Russian words. Это декабрь, январь и февраль. Then we have весна. This is spring, весна. What months do we have here? Март, апрель, май. В марте тает снег. The snow melts in March. В апреле уже тепло. It's already warm in April. В мае цветут цветы. Flowers bloom in May. Then we have лето, summer. Это июнь, июль, август. В июне хорошая погода. Good weather in June. В июле обычно очень жарко. In July, it's usually very hot. В августе все созревает. Everything ripens in August. And we have осень, autumn or fall. Это сентябрь, октябрь, ноябрь. Examples. В сентябре дети идут в школу. In September, kids go to school. В октябре ужасная погода. In October, the weather is terrible. В ноябре выпадает первый снег. In November, the first snow falls. Okay, now you know how to say in January, in February, in March, and so on. And you know the names of the month in Russian. And you know the names of seasons. Once again, зима, winter, весна, spring, лето, summer, autumn, осень. That's it. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you liked this video, so I'll see you later. Пока!